Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Fardar Sahel. In this video, we're going to design this honeybee. I call that honeybee, which we can use it for a background. Maybe you are going to use that for a social media post. So let me show you here the colors which we are going to use. So it's going to be the green color. You can see the values in CMYK and the background color. And this one. Let's take a look at this color, which we're going to use it for lighting here, the first color and the second color. So first, what we need here is this polygon tool and click here, six side polygon. Let's get the selection tool by holding Alt and Shift. We need another copy. I'm going to put it right here and another one. Let's align, Control G, group it, and select this by holding the shift key. Select the second one and align that, Control G to group it. Now we're going to align this. Let's change the color to this one, and also we're going to Control G to group it by holding Alt and Shift. Let's scale this. Now what you can do here is that you can rotate this. Maybe you want to use it. Let me show you. I'm going to drag and drop it here in the brush panel, and I'm going to select that pattern brush. The selected artwork contains an element that cannot be used in a pattern brush. Let's change the color, something like maybe this one, and we are going to group it. Now we want to just drag and drop it right here. Select the pattern brush and hit OK. And hit OK. Delete that. You can get the rectangle or ellipse. Let's take this ellipse tool here by holding Alt and Shift. Now we want to apply that. Simple, we click on this brush panel. Decrease the size. Maybe maybe this is, I think this looks good, but if I increase that, also this one looks good, not bad. Let's do one more thing, is that we need to click on object, and here I'm going to expand the appearance. Let's get the eyedropper tool and apply this gradient. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to get this rectangle tool and we're going to make the background color, which is 3000 by 3000 pixel. Get the selection tool, click on align, and we're going to align that. Let's right click, send to back. Get the eyedropper tool and we're going to apply this color. So now what we need to do is that we need to add some lighting. To add the lighting, we are going to get this ellipse and I'm going to put it right here. Let's get the eyedropper tool and we're going to apply this. Click on this gradient panel and I'm going to select this one, make it opacity to 0. Let's change that to this radial. And also what I'm going to do here is that we are going to change that opacity to, let's try this color doji or maybe overlay. We're going to add more here. Let's select everything by holding down the shift key. We're going to unselect some of the objects. We're going to control G to group it. So now you can use that for a background, maybe for a social media post. You can put the text inside, so you can use it for different purpose. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.